gorgeous sweetie darlings, welcome to my channel. Today I have an exciting reveal for you guys. A company called Nail Reserve has sent me 5 of the gorgeous colors. And look at this cool box. I can't show you properly because I already opened it, but it opens 2 ways and each compartment had something cool. So I received a mini UV LED lamp to cure the nail polish. And I got just colors, and one is a no wipe top, and it's amazing. You don't need to use a dehydrator to finish it off. Perfect. Okay. And by the way, they're all really opaque. I'm not sure about the other colors, but the ones that I chose are all super, super opaque. Absolutely gorgeous colors. I'm going to show you them up close. These 3 in particular are very, very similar. They almost look like the same color, and they just have very slight differences. And the cool thing is the tops all have these color markers, kind of like lipsticks. So it's quite cool that you can see that. So the first one is Pink Princess. The names are really cute as well. And I'm just gonna show you. That's what it looks like. Really lovely consistency, flat brush, so it's easy. Next one, I've got Marry Me. I know, really romantic, girly kind of colors, color names. This is Marry Me. It's like a ballet slipper pink, isn't it? Next one is called Young. It's a little more white than the other ones. It's like a hint of pink, really. And then this is my most pinkish shade. It's called Be My Baby. And look, it's like the perfect shade of Barbie pink. It's not too cool, not too warm. It's like a perfect medium pink. It's lovely. And this is the no wipe top coat. So literally all I do is I use the colors, cure them all in between layers, and then finish it off with this. This helps so much for the brush to be a little shorter. You have more control over it, and it doesn't dispense too much product. It's really perfect. As for finishing coats, top coats, this is my favorite. I highly recommend this. Regardless, this is amazing. Then I got this. It's so cute, so adorable. It's the Nail Reserve mini UV LED lamp. And it comes with this wire. It's mini USB, flat wire. Comes with a manual, just in case you need instructions. 6 pieces UV LED beads. Power is 6 watts. And of course the company is vegan, 9-free formula, cruelty free. For those of you who are unaware, there is a difference between vegan and cruelty-free. Just because something is cruelty-free doesn't mean they're vegan. Just because they're vegan doesn't mean they're cruelty-free. And I know it sounds contradictory, how can you be vegan and not cruelty-free? Well, basically, you can be a vegan company, meaning all of your ingredients are non-animal derived, but you could technically still test on animals, right? Even if the ingredients are completely non-animal derived, they could still have some animal testing for the ingredients. Maybe not at the laboratories, but depending on where they're sourcing their vegan ingredients from, maybe that company who makes these vegan ingredients are testing on animals to produce the ingredient. Do you know what I mean? So the fact that they are both vegan and cruelty-free, meaning none of their ingredients are animal derived and they do not test on animals. Perfect. We all want that, right? And for those of you who don't know what 9-free means, it means it's free of 9 particular toxins. I've looked it up for you so I can tell you exactly what they are because I cannot remember these names, but I will read them as best as I can. I can't guarantee they are the perfect pronunciation. So free of formaldehyde, dibutyl phthalate, toluene, formaldehyde, resin, camphor, xylene, lead, paraben, ethyl, torsillimide. So it's free of those 9 toxins, FYI. Okay, let's get into this. Let's see how cute. How cute is this lamp? Do you know what? It's perfect for travel. I have a large one from another company, but it's like too large for travel. I've taken it traveling before and it was like, it took up too much room. Like I was like, this is ridiculous. It's too large. Obviously when you want to travel, you want something small, lightweight, portable. And here you guys have it. Got the 6 bulbs there. It's perfect for travel because it takes up no room. It folds completely flat. The legs click in place to stay there so they're not bouncing around and less chance of it breaking. That's a really great feature. And they click out to stand up like this. And unless you have huge hands, you should be able to fit all 5 nails in there. I have quite small, narrow fingers and there's loads of room. Okay, I'm going to plug this in and show you. Okay, so we've got a button on the top. And there you go. You have your LED light. It has 2 timers. It can either do 45 seconds, that's the default. So if you press it once, it's going to stay on for 45 seconds. That's enough time to cure. But if you did like thick layers and you just want to cure extra, you press it a second time while it's still on and it will go for 60 seconds. So you have those 2 timing options, which is great. And then third, you just turn off the lamp. So that's why it stays on. That's 45 seconds, 60 seconds, off. Okay, so cute, so lightweight, featherweight lamp. It's perfect. Personally, I've always loved just nude nails. I rarely do color on my nails, and when I do, it's like I just do like a French V-tip or something, and then I'll do the color then, and even then it's not like a crazy color. I keep it more professional, subdued, and you can't go wrong with nude nails. They have a huge range of pinks. So for those of you who absolutely love, especially like me, nude pinks, ballet pinks, like bubble bath kind of, you know, OPI, that kind of pink, they really deliver. So anyway, I am going to give you a demonstration. I'm going to paint each of my fingers, all 4 of these pinks, so you can see, and we are going to get to it. Okay, so we've got the Nail Reserve polish here. So you can see we've got Young. Let's start with this one. This is Young. We're going to do Pink Princess. I really like the short brushes. Pink Princess is on the warmer side, whereas Young is on the cooler side, closer to a bright white pink. And I would say Pink Princess is closer to a nude. Next we will use Marry Me. Okay, so this is pinker than Young. It's not so white. It's a quintessential ballet slipper pink. It's really pretty. I think out of the 3, this is my favorite so far. I want to show you in different lights. My light right now is quite warm. I'm gonna show you how it looks in cooler light so you can see. That's cooler light. This is warmer light. I'm gonna keep it in the middle here. Marry Me. And then the next is Be My Baby. And this is a very bubblegum kind of Barbie pink. I love it. So for those of you who want more of a neutral, nude kind of beigey pastel, opaque pink, I would say go for Pink Princess. It's almost like a beige kind of whitey pink. It's not that pink at all, to be honest. Then Marry Me is a very pastel kind of pink. And then Young is almost white, very bright white with a hint of pink. And then Be My Baby is like Barbie bubblegum pink. So we're going to use the LED light to cure. And we're going to put a second layer on everything so you guys can see what a second layer looks like. So this is one layer. And we're going to start off again, Young. This is really, really nice. This is Young. It is definitely a more neutral color. If I can compare it to anything, I would say it's almost like a beigey. It kind of matches the color of my table, doesn't it? This is the finished product. Beautiful. This is one coat, and then we're going to do Marry Me.
Make sure to click the link below to get 50% off your next order or use my discount code Tina_50.